Hi there, here we are with our patient Tim. Tim just came in from Louisiana for a follow-up visit. We did a MaxHarvest procedure about a year and a half ago. And what do you think? How do you think we did?
It was amazing. Total life changer for sure. Worth every penny.
When I saw him in the lobby, he was unrecognizable. He's a young guy. So when he did the surgery, I believe he was around 28-ish,
Yeah.
just turned 30. So he looked much older when he didn't have his hair. And now he looks younger than 30 now.
Yeah,
It's
I get
crazy.
that a lot actually. People mistake me for early 20s a lot now. Before I was starting to hear 30s, before I was 30. And
It's
now
crazy. Not to be corny, but did it change your life?
it did, and I know that is a very overused question,
Right.
but honestly it did. I mean, just being more confident to go boating, to go swimming, to go to the beach, strong wind, not
Yes.
doing like this when the wind would blow.
Right.
You know, yeah, it's absolutely.
Yeah, and now you got this cool style. Before you were
Well, yeah, I had one style before. And
Yeah,
now,
you're
I
now
just do whatever.
this is like, you look like a rock star, man.
Thank you.
It really looks awesome. Yeah, it's cool. I'm going to kind of show you off and explain to the camera what we did. So what we did, well, you'll see with the before pictures, he virtually had nothing in this front. He was solid in the back, and he's currently doing his Pro-P, and his Rogaine, and actually he's even doing vitamins. He's doing everything he can to support what's left, and that's what makes him such an easy fix. Because as long as he keeps all of that natural hair, then all we gotta do is focus on the front. Now I tell everybody, plan on 2 procedures, but this is one of these cases where he could easily not have to do a second procedure if he didn't want it to, because it just came out freaking awesome, man.
Yeah.
But anyways, what we do is we take it all the way around, we blend it into the existing hairs on the sides. Because he's young, we gave him a pretty low hairline with low recession, so it matches current hair around the temples. And then we put these super soft natural grafts, and we build it the entire way around. And then we blend it into the other side over here. And then we use the stronger grafts as we go further back to tie it into where he does have hair. So if you look at the suture line, when we harvest, we take all the way from over here on the side. So everyone's always so focused on this suture line, but look how short he cuts his hair. See this little line here? That little trace line? This is what everyone's so scared about, that little suture line. He did such a great job as a patient, you can barely even see this line. I mean, you did great, man, healing. Look at this little thing. You can't even see it. So this is it right here. See this? Right here, under where this is? If the camera can see it. And he said, what'd you cut this with, like a 2-blade?
I don't know what he did, but I know it's been over a week and it's grown out since then.
Oh,
so
wow.
it was even shorter when I got the
And you couldn't see the line, right?
No, you couldn't.
So it just healed perfect. And just watch your feet for 1 second, Tim, so I don't hurt your feet here. Good. Look at this, all the way. It's a look at that. Look, can you see that, Mike, with the camera?
Barely.
Barely. Right there. That's the line.
I can't usually
it's
find it
like
myself.
It's unreal. This is, I mean, it's as good as it gets, buddy. Can you kind of put your fingers through there and show the camera what's going on? Look at this. So 1 procedure result. This is, yeah. When you see the befores with the when I put them up on the video, you'll see. Crazy, man. Love it. Love it.
Me too.
Well, I'm really happy for her. It cheers me up more than you know. I love it, man, so much. I love it so much. Question I always ask everybody. What do you say to the guy who's sitting at home who's on the fence thinking about doing this?
Well, you're definitely can't be any more skeptical than I was. I mean, everything I read, everything I saw, video, I thought was a scam. And in fact, the day I walked in here, I still was thinking it might be a scam. and then I get the procedure and I go home. And at first I'm freaking out like, okay, I just made a bad decision and now I'm a mess. But it was nothing like that. I healed super fast. Within, I would say 4 months, I started to see, actually I have pictures of every month. And I want to say it was around 4 months, I was already starting to get my hairline coming in. By 6 or 7 months, I mean, I was able to style it a lot of different ways. I mean, it was getting thicker and thicker, and the quality got better over the course of the year.
It's crazy, right? It takes a full 18 months. I tell people that all the time. It takes a while.
By the end of about 14 months for me, the texture of this hair was identical to this. And it blended perfectly. Actually a year, it was like that.
That's awesome. That's awesome, man.
Yeah.
Super happy for you.
So do it. It's worth it. Definitely worth it.
Congratulations. Super happy for you. We'll do the COVID shake.
Yeah, right.
Thanks for doing the video.